What's up, YouTube? How y'all doing? 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 I'm back with another video, another unboxing, of course. You know I went back crazy. And I'm revealing one of my other bags, okay? I'm so excited about this bag. This bag was all the rave in 2020, all the rave continuing to be in 2021, so I had to get all the rave material. Because this is a no basic zone, honey. Yes, no basic zone. And if you are basic, just by looking at my channel, you've been elevated. Let's get right into it. We're about to review the Rimowa Crossbody bag. So here we are. Rimowa. Isn't this pretty? I love the packaging. I love this. I don't, like, is this their logo? That's an M, okay. Yeah, that's really cute. I like that. And on this side, we've got Rimowa. Oh, for those of you who don't know what Rimowa is a luggage brand. They primarily sell luggage, and they're in their own little niche, okay? We've got some other people who kind of like bite off them. Zara kind of bites off them with their spring summer collection. They've got some crossbody bags that they do. I actually have one of those bags. It's sky blue. I should review that one. I haven't even worn it. I haven't even reviewed it. I should review it. And then there's another brand out there that kind of bites off of it. I don't really know who's the originator, okay? I don't know who started the trend of their aesthetic, of their design. But word on the street is that Rimowa is the big dogs. They've got some cool luggage. Oh, it's so cool. But the most coolest of them all is the crossbody bag, okay? They come in different colors. They come in green, blue, white, pink. Now, depending on if you got the Dior collection with Rimowa, they only come in certain colors. I think they've got 4 colors with the Dior collaboration, and then they have 4 colors with just Rimowa. Now, what I find funny is that the Dior collection, they were literally like, I think, $1,000 some odd more than just the Rimowa collection. So there's 2 different versions. There's a Dior collaboration, and there's a regular Rimowa, okay? And if you pay for the Dior collaboration, it's $1,000 some odd more. That made no sense to me. The bags look virtually the bags are the same. The only thing different is that it says Dior on the other side of the bag. I don't need Dior to be on my bag, honey. I'm fine with just Rimowa on it, okay? I'm gonna be real with you. I love labels. I love rocking a label, but it's not the end-all be-all. You don't have to have... Some of the best brands are the labels that you don't even know about. Some of the best brands are the brands that's not even in your face, okay? I'm talking too much. Let's get right into this unboxing, okay? You guys know a little bit about Rimowa. You can find out more about it on their website, okay? I'll put the link below. Let's get into the unboxing. So this is the box. I love this little pull tab here. This is really, really cute, okay? Really, really cute. I love the packaging. So let's pull it out and unbox it. Oh, look at that. That was very satisfying. Oh. So, we've got our receipt. We'll get rid of that. And then we've got some booklets here that's got nothing for the languages I don't understand or read. And then here's the bag. It's inside of a dust bag. And I'm just going to pull it out and get rid of the box. Look at the dust bag. The dust bag alone by itself is pretty cute. I'd rock the dust bag if it had a strap attached to it. But let's open it up. Bam! 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 Okay, that didn't happen dramatically as I wanted to on the pull down, but you guys get it. Look at this bag. Oh, I absolutely loved the green and black colors together. Oh, I cannot wait to wear this. You guys do not understand how excited I am to wear this bag. It is so cute. Nobody else is doing this besides Zara. But Zara's isn't as nearly as heavy duty and durable as this one, okay? This is the real deal. Holding this in your hands, it feels amazing. When I tell you it feels so amazing, it feels so satisfying. You can either rock this as a clutch, you know, strolling down the street with your clutch. Hey. You see my Rimowa? Okay. Or you can use the strap as a crossbody. My strap is inside here, but I first wanted to show you guys the bag. So this is the bag. Isn't it cute? Oh my gosh, make sure I focus in so you guys can see it more. Oh, it's so cute. It's got Rimowa, okay? Now the Dior version has Rimowa, and then on the other side it's got Dior in the center, okay? So this one doesn't have Dior because it's not Dior. And on the Dior, it also will have, going down the straps here, on the outer of the back, it says Dior, Dior, Dior on both sides, I believe. So that's the difference, okay? Literally like $1,000 some odd dollars, which is stupid. $1,000 some odd dollars more, stupid, okay? And this version, I believe, came out later, so this is actually the newest version, honestly, if you want to keep it real. So yeah, but you get it open, you've got these buckles on the top, you just flip them up, oh, so satisfying. Flip them up, and you open it up. Look at the inside, oh, so cute. Let me take the strap out so you guys can see it in its full potential. Full potential, darling. This is my favorite bag. Even this is like better than Louis, better than Versace, better than Gucci. This is my number one favorite bag of all my bags I have. It is because it's so different, and we haven't seen anything like it. Honestly, we haven't seen anything like this yet. This is the first of its kind. I feel it's the first of its kind. I've never seen a crossbody bag anywhere near what this is. If I'm wrong, please correct me in the comments. But I haven't seen anything like this before as far as a crossbody bag. Now, of course, it goes with the same aesthetic as their luggage because their luggages are like this, except they're bigger, okay? On a bigger scale. But I love how they thought to bring this down to a smaller scale and make it a crossbody bag. That was so clever. Why didn't I think of that? On the inside here is a zipper compartment to store your change. It's got a wallet in here. Oh my gosh, this bag serves so many different purposes. It's got a zipper area where you put all your change. It's got a wallet area, you can put all your cards and stuff. And then it's got these two huge compartments to store all your other goodies. There's one, and there's two on both sides. Oh, in love with this bag. Okay, so let's put the strap on and see what it looks like. So I've got my strap here. The strap is black, simple black leather. And it's got two ends where you hook it on both sides of the bag. Silver hardware. And and then these flaps, they come up like this so that you can connect it on both sides. And they even have plastic over this just to protect it. I like that. Didn't even notice that until now. So I'm just gonna snap them on both sides. Oh, okay. I need two hands to do this, obviously. So I'll snap it right there. And I'm gonna snap it on this end. And there you have it. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna put it on with my black shirt. I think it goes great against this black shirt. Oh, look at that. Look at, I cannot wait to rock this, you guys. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so elated and excited, darling. Oh, look at that. I just can't wait to and then, you just unbuckle it. Bam, bam. It's credit, baby, bam. Oh, I'm so excited to wear this bag. I'm so excited to wear this bag. You guys just don't understand. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh, it's so beautiful. This color is beautiful. On the top here of the straps, as you can see, they got their logo there on both sides of the strap here. Really, really cute. And oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited about this bag. You just do not understand. And this is what the bottom looks like. And if you're wondering what those bows are, this is plastic over this. So this plastic comes off. And I think is it on these feet too? As you can see, here are the 4 feet. Oh, so cute. I love it. Alright, you guys, that does it for today's unboxing. I'm so glad you guys decided to join me on my channel here. Thank you guys so much. Please, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and check out my website at vernonscloset.bigcartel.com. I sell used clothing items there, either lightly used or never really used at all. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you so much. Bye. See ya.